Hello, we're back again looking at story stones. Story stones are a really good way to spark imagination and creativity in children. So here, if you're going to make some story stones, these are the essential story stones I would recommend creating. So you're going to focus on them, and it helps you look at themes that can generate a whole bunch of narratives from the kids. So I can do these different ways. Let me show you. All right, way number one is using acrylic paint. And so I have taken acrylic paint, and then two of the stones, I did that just so I could show you. I believe that you could see them. Yeah, okay. And then I have another one that I made using Mod Podge. So I had cut her face. I printed it out off of the internet, off of canva.com. And then I pasted her face on there with a product called Mod Podge. And it will seal her little face on there. And then finally, I did two other stones. One is a house, and I did that with some Sharpies. And I did a fish, which I also did with Sharpies. There's just a lot of different ways that you can do it. And that's what's fun about doing art, is you can always be creative. But I want you to have at least these 5 essential stones. So the first one is going to be the animal stone. And I've started off with a fish, but I promise you, as you start making these stones and saving them over time, you're going to have more and more and more, and then you'll have a really big collection of it. So don't worry if right now your story stone bag looks kind of sparse. So a simple animal shape, it could be a dog, a bird, or a dragon. It's great because animals spark curiosity and often take on like a magical or symbolic role in a kid's story. So they can be pets, they can be guides, and they can even be heroes. All right. The next one that you need is the nature stone. So this could be a tree, a mountain, or a river image, but nature elements set the scene and can introduce themes of adventure and discovery or tranquility for students. These stones encourage kids to think about outdoor settings and natural events. So we have our animal and our nature one. All right, next up is our place stone. And this could be a castle, a house, or a school. Setting stones are really crucial for anchoring the story. And children can imagine like a magical kingdom where, there could be neat things going on there, or a haunted house, or a place in a bustling city. All of this helps with their narrative storytelling. Next up is a magical or special object stone. I've made a star to start out with, but you could do a key, you could do a treasure chest, and these are great because they serve as catalysts in stories. It inspires the themes of quests, of mystery, or just wishes. And so these stones, the magic stone, helps to prompt imaginative problem solvings within the story. And the final one that you need is emotion stones. And that could be a happy, a sad, or surprised face. And this stone encourages children to explore emotions or character development in their stories. So they can decide how characters feel or react in different situations. And that helps make the story more dynamic. So these are the ones you need to have, is an animal stone, a nature stone, a place stone, a magical or special object stone, and an emotion character trait. And as you work on these over time, you're going to have a really good bag of stones that you can work with.